Look who it is. She's not amused. So this is phase one of the operation. I have to drop her off, and then it's off to get Jamie, and then it's off to Disney, and then it's off to go fun until the storm gets here.
Hi there. It is Wednesday. It is 4:15 in the afternoon. Neither one of us are at work. We are on our way to Disney. We can't keep to a plan to save our lives. So as you know, we have no self-control. So we can't wait 12 hours to leave in the morning to go to Disney to meet up with everybody. No. We had to leave tonight. So we got what I think was a huge deal on a room at the All-Star Movies, which is funny because this is where we'll be back here in a few weeks.
So we're like scouting it out.
We're scouting. For the night, and then tomorrow night we're at Bay Lake as planned. But so let's go to lowest category, highest category. Let's do that. So we're entering the All-Star Resorts right now, and I think we need to go look at a food court and see what kind of cupcakes they might have.
All right, checking in.
Checking in.
Yep.
I hear there might be a unicorn cupcake somewhere. I'm very interested in that. As are you. We have a poisoned apple tart. Spiced pumpkin cheesecake, Jack's Callow lime cupcake. We are at the food court at Movies, All-Star Movies, and we're gonna split chicken tenders and fries for dinner, and then we got a chai latte cupcake for dessert. Shall we cut into that and see what the inside looks like?
Yep.
Oh, it got mushy there. Let's see. Whoop. It's more on the side then. Yeah, that side's just a dent. Come in to our value at All-Star Movie Resort. Got it? Make yourself comfortable. Have a look around. Look at our see-through fridge. Sexy. We got a coffee maker. Oh, that means all the coffee stuff is in here. Oh my God, it's a built-in. Kill me now. Hang on. Mickey's 90th anniversary coffee. Oh my God, I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What are you gonna drink? And then decaf. There's a whole thing of decafs. There's green teas. There's Earl Grey teas. There's sugar. There's 4 creamers. 6 coffees, 4 creamers. Not sure what to do with that. Okay, let's move away from the beverage area, which I'm very happy with. I love that they put these in the resorts. We have a dining room table. Becomes a bed. We'll have to look and see if there's anything on the wall in there. We have a bed. Look at
all
lights.
the pillows they have.
And every pillow in the resort. Look at the lights. Isn't that awesome? What does this one do? It turns on the extra spot. Okay. So then you got 3 drawers, a safe and 2 shelves, and a little cubby. Big old TV.
USB mania.
Now check this out. Next to the bed, I have 2 USB and 2 charging things. What do you have?
Same.
On the desk, we have 4 USB, 4 charging ports, Over here, I have an extra. Oh, wait, we missed the light. Over here, we have an extra thing. 2 if you unplug your coffee. Over here, I've got 2 charging, 2 USBs. Again, more than our house. How does that
Pull
keep
these
you?
out of the way.
One hand.
Hey!
Oh my god, it's Green Duck.
There's the theming.
Oh, it's Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Oh, we're gonna stay here in 2 weeks with Nathan and Bree. No, Nathan and Kaylee.
This is the recipe for conflict because none of their dreams are in alignment. They all think they are, but they all want different things.
But Nathan's favorite character is Green Duck. I really hope we get one of those. All right, I got this down by myself. Can I get it back up by myself? Yes, I can. Look at me.
Like it never even happened.
Never speak of this again.
Also, they have,
Sports.
well, it's all 3 resorts
Oh, is
in
it?
one motif.
Okay, into the bathroom where you were warned not to hang anything off the sprinkler. Okay, full closet, that's nice. There's an ironing board and an iron.
We're going to need these
right there.
hangers for the cruise ship, so that's good.
We don't have any room for anything else for the cruise ship.
Bye.
I'm back. Okay, so I got the cool sink, like at Pop Century. This is very Pop Century. And then the shower has glass doors and a cool, look at cool spouty thing. Then our little 3 thingamabobs. I'm not even using words anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Hello. So that's it. That's our room tour.
So this is just a standard run-of-the-mill room. I got a smoke and resident deal on this, so that contributed to our delinquency. But we're here, and tomorrow is the beginning of Food and Wine, and Star Wars Land opens.
Please may I go see Jen and Brian now, please?
After we do mail opening, and then
No! I want to go see Jen and Brian. Our phone is flashing. I don't know if that's for us or not.
we also have late-breaking shopping news.
So I ordered 2 pairs of Crocs. We were at the Crocs store the other day, and I tried these on to see how they would fit, and they were fine, except I had a $15 coupon at home. So I ordered them, and they were supposed to come tomorrow, and instead, here they are. So these are the little diamondy. I don't want to put it on the table. Well, they've never been worn, so I guess it's okay. So those are the diamond ones. And these are the double strap ones. So I have 2 new pairs of Crocs. Jen and Brian time! Woo! Get out of my way! Who are these jerks? Okay, this means nothing to nobody, but I never noticed in the parking lot at Polynesian that there are actually letters. Hang on, we're swinging over. On the parking lanes. I'm just gonna keep saying it. Mo'oria.
Moria!
Mo'oria.
Now you'll see some fine dwarven mining.
No.
Or stuff from Avatar.
Elsa? This is the greeting I get. No one's home.
Okay, bye.
We will take your bag of crap and go.
So not bad for a standard movies room, huh?
Shut up.
So we're in Jen and Brian's poly It's not the studio, is it? Or, yeah, it's the studio, right?
It is a studio, yes.
This is the part of the DVC section?
Yes.
So here's a bonus room walkthrough. There's a potty. Ooh, fancy. Fancy shower. Oh my God. They get products. We do not get products. Products.
I miss you so much. Oh.
Fancier shower. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the spa.
Wow.
Here, we'll
See
film
that
a-
shower?
We'll film a reaction video of you looking at the room.
Holy cow. Hey, they have soaps.
I know, they have it in 2 different rooms too. They've redundant products.
Oh, is this that?
So I have to say, this parking lot does not seem appreciably bigger. But
We're going to Epcot. It started to drizzle a tad. This is not cool.
we're going to Epcot, she said. For fireworks, she said.
Yeah, I'm not sure. It's
ID.
already there.
We're here. They're here. Alright, so the plan is illuminations for the last time together. But first, we're going to go this way. They just don't know it because they're walking and talking. We're going to go over here. Speaking of last times for things. August 29th. Wait, what do our tickets say? This tree is on fire. Also that tree. There's a lot of trees on fire here. Coronado, and look, they turned the fountain back on.
Fried shrimp corn dog, the cheese dip, the burger. Do you have the GoPro on you? Hi. We are at Villa del Lago, 3 Bridges. Thank you. Again, shut up. Yes, we like it. And we have a couple of appetizers. There is the street corn, which is the secret menu item, which is going on their regular menu, we were told. It's delicious. Cheese and corn and chips. And then the Szechuan wings, because I needed some kind of protein. I got my white sangria. And we'll show you what else comes out in a little bit.
All right, I'll take a turn at this. So now we've got some food in front of us that's not appetizers. So I'm having the sliders.
It's
They're right here. This is the problem with me filming this, though, is I have it facing me mode and the food's over there. So anyway, all right, I contributed.
I got the vanilla Mickey tart. It's got a tiny little scoop of ice cream. Isn't it adorable? This looks really good.
You guys got
We got
the...
the pork tacos.
Yes.
Pork tacos with a tomato aioli. Those fries are really
Yeah, those fries are amazing.
Aren't they
Those are really
fantastic?
good. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
gonna steal one of his.
good amount of spice.
Yeah.
All right, hopefully this turns out. So I'm having the churros, and yes, I'll share, but I don't think anybody wants them. I'm a churro completionist, so I'm finally taking the plunge. Got chocolate sauce, all good. Oh, these are the clear standout winners.
No, excuse
Everyone
me.
agrees.
My tart was fabulous. You
There
know.
is a vast majority
No,
of 6
no,
to 1 that
No, you don't.
like these
First of
churros.
all, there's not 6 people at this table. Don't. I don't
I
know.
like 2 people.
You bipolar?
A little bit.
No. My Mickey tart was the bomb. I may have had a glass of sangria. Oh, I can't feel my lips.
And we're off to the Barcelona Lounge next. What's the worst that could happen? Well, you're going to find out next.
All right. I say let's take them straight to the elevators. Let's go upstairs and show them the lounge. And then come down and show them the lobby. All right. Okay? Sounds good. You have no idea what it is. You have no idea what it is.
I know exactly what you just said.
Don't go that way. Don't go that way. This way.
Cannot be unseen.
Not hold it that way. We want to go to the 16th floor.
So press 16.
Press 16. It's now going to tell you we're getting on the E elevator. We're going to get on the E elevator. Step on the elevator.
Must be up in the front row.
Spin and point. No, you don't.
Nope.
Because you already did it. It's up there.
That's neat.
But you'll see a million people spin and point.
Yeah, because that's what you're. Yeah.
And you know you just did it outside,
Yeah.
but your
That's
brain
true.
wants to
I was
spin.
gonna say,
It's
yeah,
memory.
Memory.
Muscle memory. Muscle memory. Shut up, I know it. It's muscle memory. Are you filming me?
It's the literal calm before the storm because that opens tomorrow. And this is Nightline.
I picked food. Imagine. Look, it's pterodactyl. I mean, it's not pterodactyl. What's the word? Touchy. It's
Interactive.
touchable. So don't woo! Look at you go. Look at that one. Okay. That is cool. Right here, I located it. Okay, now you have to go here. Awesome. Yeah. Brian's moved on.
I know. He's like, where'd you go?
He's ruining your video. He's ruining your video. Make the faces.
No, the video did not do this justice. No. Immensity.
So I was very concerned, but I'm happy to report they finally fixed the burned out bulb. So everybody who is not coming here because of the burnt out bulb, it's safe to come back or come for the first time. Look at
What is the last name, sir? Right.
how about this?
No!